In the beginning, there was nothing. Somehow, out of this nothing came everything.
Out of this vibrant nothingness, matter, energy, space, time, consciousness, mind emerged, came out.
What are called the two most open questions, which means science is struggling to find the answer. There are about 150 of these. So again, if you Google science and say 150 open questions, the number one open question in science is, what is the nature of the universe? What is it made of? And the answer, short answer is, we don't know. And the reason we don't know is 70% of the universe is this mysterious dark energy, which is expanding the universe, and it's the space between galaxies faster than the speed of light. So it's already violated Einstein's theory of relativity. Faster than the speed of light, the space between galaxies is being ripped apart right this moment. So from where we stand, the cosmic horizon, which is as far as science can look, is 47 billion light years from where we stand. And galaxies are tumbling across the cosmic horizon faster than the speed of light. What lies beyond is not only unknown, but unknowable. Because by the time light reaches from there to here, our solar system and our sun will have exhausted its thermonuclear energy and burnt itself up into the heat death of absolute zero. So it's not only unknown, it's unknowable, the mystery of our universe. 70% of the remaining 30%, 26% or so, is another mysterious entity called dark matter. Dark matter is so called because it's invisible. It does not reflect light, it does not absorb light, it does not emit light, it doesn't interact with light. And the reason it doesn't interact with light is it's not atomic. So everything we know is atoms, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, the atoms of the periodic table. Okay, but dark matter is non-atomic. So my microphone is atomic, this plastic bottle is atomic, the water is atomic, my body is atomic, but dark matter is not made up of atoms. We don't know what it's made up of. So why do we even call it matter? The reason we call it matter is that it behaves like matter. It bends space-time in the same way as regular matter. I don't know how many of you have seen Interstellar, the movie, but it talks about dark matter and black holes and wormholes. Most of that is possible only because of dark matter. Dark matter holds a galaxy together. So the Milky Way galaxy is held together by dark matter, which means the solar system, which means your body. If we didn't have dark matter in the universe, we would all fall apart right this second. So even if you don't believe in God tomorrow, you can say, thank you, dark matter. Because of you, I exist. And I don't know what you are or who you are. So that leaves only 4% of the universe that is made up of atoms. Of that 4% of the universe that's made up of atoms, 99.99999%, which means most of it, almost all of it, is invisible interstellar dust, which hasn't coalesced, hasn't fused to form stars, galaxies, and so on. So the visible universe, which is hundreds of billions of stars, billions, hundreds of billions of galaxies, and now we are told trillions of planets, most likely 10 to the power of 32 habitable planets in our own galaxy, is what our astronomers are telling us today at Harvard and other places. That's 0.01% of the universe. The rest is invisible, mostly unknown, and mostly unknowable. 0.01% of the universe the visible universe is atomic. Now here's the problem. When you look at atoms, they're made of particles, and particles have a dual nature. They can be waves or particles. So actually when you're not looking at a particle, or when it's not in relationship with another particle, it disappears. And it's no longer there. It becomes a wave of potential. And you ask scientists, where's this wave? They say it's in mathematical space. You say, what mathematical space? They say, well, it's a multi-dimensional infinite space. You say, where is it? They say, we don't know. Okay, so now what are we ending up with? We're ending up with only one statement that we can be certain of. The universe is made of nothing. You go beyond the appearance of molecules, atoms, subatomic clouds, particles, waves, nothing.